Hey, welcome to the channel. Folks, we have a tropical disturbance which appeared in the Atlantic at the peak hurricane season approaches. Now, potential development as a rare or low pressure could form in the central or western tropical Atlantic early next week. Now, forecast the system has a near zero chance of developing over the next 2 days, but a 20% chance in the next week. Now, it may approach the Lesser Antilles early next week and move toward the Greater Antilles thereafter. Now, a new tropical disturbance has appeared in the Atlantic. And of course, there's a zero chance. Now, the Lesser Antilles are a group of islands in the Caribbean Sea that form the eastern boundary of the Caribbean Sea and are divided into two main groups. Let's take a look at that closely. As you see, Florida, then you have the Lesser Antilles about here. And the Windward Islands, now these include the islands like Maritime, St. Lucie, and St. Vincent, the Grenadines, Grenada, and the Dominica. And the Leeward Islands, now these include islands such as Antigua, Barbuda, St. Kitts, and Nevis, and Anguilla, Montserrat, and the Virgin Islands. Now, the Lesser Antilles are known for the beautiful beaches, vibrant cultures, and diverse ecosystem. They're a popular destination for tourists looking for experience the Caribbean and natural beauty and a rich history. But however, the important part is that the tropical disturbance has appeared in the Atlantic, and there's a possibility of development in a new tropical system as it moves toward the Lesser and Greater Antilles. And the disturbance has a zero chance of developing in the next 2 days, but a 20% of a chance over the next week. This is something else, folks. This is something else. Let's take a closer look at that area, which I pointed out. You have here Florida, and you have here. One thing that's crazy is navigating this feature. Of course, you have Florida here. You had the Lesser Antilles all over here. Let's close this out, and let's look at the true color daytime system. Let's take a move away so you can see it. Like it is, of course, you see Florida here, and you see a cloud layer. And of course, this is the geocolor composite, the southeastern US. And we can come out of that. And then let's go into the RGB system. And if we come away from that, we can actually see it here. And we can come out of that. And then we can go over here. Let's see the forecast. Of course, we don't want to go back into Charleston at all. We do want to go here. And let's look at Florida today. Let's not look at Georgia, but let's look at Florida. Let's see if we can go. And again, this right here is the graphical forecast for the southern Mississippi Valley. And let's look at the satellite. And again, you have the Antilles all over here, the Caribbean over here. Now we have that mass with a 20% of a chance of growing into something significant. Again, the tropical disturbance has appeared in the Atlantic in this area here, and the possibility of development in the system as it moves toward the lesser ingredient Antilles. And disturbance again has a 20% chance over the next week. Guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to tell you guys about that. And let's see if we can get that to be navigating a mouse. For some reason, the air mass. Then we have the last update, which was an hour ago. Of course, that's the lightning flashes. And again, we have Florida, the Lesser Antilles, all over in this area. It's pretty cool just looking at all the different maps. And this is from the National Government Weather Forecast website. And let's go back here. Take a closer look. Thanks for coming by. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.